Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. And today I'm going to discuss about an interesting exam for those who are want to pursue integrated MA in IIT Madras. And guys, this is like it is one type of shocking news for you guys. So you will get at the end of the video the most important information. Okay, so guys, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your brothers and sisters. Okay, why I am telling about your brothers and sisters? Okay guys, so IIT Madras, like every year, okay, every year they are like they conduct, okay, one exam for integrated MA in humanities and social science. Okay, so the name of the exam is like humanities and social science entrance examination. And in our country there will be like many centers, okay, for this exam, because IIT Madras is like number one by NIRF ranking institute. Okay, so according to this ranking system, IIT Madras is the best institute, best university, best academic exposure you will get in this institute. So guys, let's start. Okay, one second guys. So I think all of you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So guys, here you can see like online registration for HSEE, Humanities and Social Science Entrance Examination 2021. And here you can see like it will be held on Sunday 13 June. Okay, so the exam will be held on 13 June. Okay, and last date last date last date of application and payment made by like you can give your payment like by net banking, credit and debit card. And and it will be like it will be end by March 15. Okay, so I think like this is an opportunity for you guys, even though those students who are pursuing their BA BSc, okay, in in environmental science, psychology, sociology, English and so on, all the students, okay, all the students can give this exam, because I will show you who are eligible. So this is an opportunity and you will get like best exposure for your future. Okay, so guys, uh, you can open like already I have opened this portal, IIT Madras home domain portal. So look guys, about the MA program in IIT Madras you can read everything, but I am giving like some information related to this, because look, streams offered, okay, integrated MA in development studies, that's mean those who are from like arts background, all the art subject are actually will be like taught in this institute. Every subject in your university, you are reading only one honors paper. That is the difference between university and IIT. Here you like you have to read many subject as an honors paper. You will be a leader in that domain. Look guys, you will be a leader in that domain. You will read sociology, you will read psychology, you will read history, you will read English. Everything you have to read. Not like in university, you are just reading like only one honors subject. Okay, like sociology, it is a subject, but here you have to read all these subjects. Okay, and one more integrated degree program, that is MA in English Studies. And this two program, they will take student from the country. Okay, so I will show you everything. So this is the brochure. Okay, you can click here, and this is the option to download. Okay, so you can click on it and you will get the procedure. Already I have downloaded it. Okay, so this is the brochure. So first of all, I want to show you the most important thing is that this. Okay, so this is 5-year integrated program. You can read it. The 5-year integrated master program of arts. Okay, this is the 5-year master program. Okay, so one more interesting thing, it is an interdisciplinary studies. Okay, and number of seats, 58. Okay, so I think this information will be very very important information for you guys. And the streams are already I have mentioned about the stream: development studies and English studies. These are the two program. So those who are already like pursuing their BA BSc degree, and those who are like those who are in plus 12 standard, or already I have already those students who students who have passed their plus 12 level. Okay, that's mean class 12. After class 12, those who are like pursuing their BA BSc degree in first year, they are also eligible this program. And the pattern of the of this exam, syllabus of this exam, I will make a different video for this. Okay, so guys, just I am now like giving the simple information, and this information very useful information for you guys, because you will be familiar with this is the first time you will be familiar such type of information. Okay, so those who are from different backgrounds, whatever the background. Okay, so those who are those who are studying in plus 12 level. Okay, those who are preparing for their final exam in 12th standard, those students are also eligible for this exam. I think you are getting, okay, you are getting my point. And those who are preparing for their final exam, first year and second year, they are also eligible. Why I am telling this, I'll show you one more interesting thing. Okay, look guys, so the date of exam is 13 June 2020. So fees, application fees 2400, and for SC ST OBC and others also, and PWD SC ST PWD for 12,000. Okay, so this is the application fees. And don't worry about that application fees. Okay, because one more important thing, if you clear this exam, and if you if you get this opportunity to enter in the IIT Madras, look, your life, like your life will be beautiful, your life will be in secured position. So if you want to do very well, if you want to like, if you are a very hardworking person, if you are like if you have some ambition to do big, so you can prepare for this. And please share this video with your brothers and sisters, okay, because this is the video for those, okay, and those candidates who are like in the first year, in the second year of their graduation, they are also eligible, okay, they are also eligible. Okay guys, okay. So some information, these are the some information, you can check it. Look, scanned copy of plus 12 mark sheet, this is the most important information, okay. So this is the most important information, okay. And scanned copy of plus 10th standard, okay, scanned copy of 10th standard certificate, because the information date of birth and name and so on will be there. So this is very important, okay. Now I will I will, so this is the program, okay, integrated master program. So 1 second. And this is the question paper type of question paper, okay. So there will be two part 1 and part 2. Part 1 will cover this type of topics like comprehension, English, and analytical and quantitative ability, and general studies, okay. General studies means the it will cover the areas like from Indian economy, Indian society and culture, like world affairs, and environment and ecology. So these are the some portion topics subjects for the part 1. And part 2, like you have to write one general essay, okay. Okay, this, you have to write an essay on general topic involving description. And I think you can do it, those who are from CBSE ICSE background, not only CBSE ICSE background, and those who are like from state government school, those students are also eligible for this exam. And the paper will be like in English. So wait for a moment, I want to show you more important thing. Look, eligibility criteria. First point, look, final examination of plus 12 system, so conducted by a central or state board recognized by the Association of Indian University. That's been any state board, okay. For an example, like I am giving my example, my 10th standard board was like West Bengal higher secondary and secondary, 10th standard secondary education, West Bengal secondary education, okay, West Bengal board of secondary education. So that is the board, okay. I think all the students who are from different state, so there are different boards for 10th standard and 12th standard, okay. So these are the syllabus, you can read it more. These are the syllabus. Part 1, what you should cover in English and reading comprehension, what topics or chapters you have to cover in analytical portion. So general studies, for general studies you have to cover this type of syllabus, Indian economy and so on. You can pause this video, you can pause this video, you can read this, okay. You have to cover this, okay. So part 2, you have to write an essay, and that will be good, okay. And one more important thing, those like who are thinking like you have to go in IIT Madras campus, no, this is not right. So it is one type of national exam, okay. So like IIT Madras like one type of dream institute for Indian citizen, okay, and Indian parents, okay. So all these are the major city of our country, okay. All these are the major city for this country: Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Coimbatore, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Mumbai, New Delhi, Patna, Jammu, Kochi, Kolkata, Thiruvananthapuram, Indore. All these are major city of our country. So you can those who are from belong this like belong this city or nearby of this city, so they can easily can give this exam, okay. So guys, I think you are getting most valuable and useful information for you guys. You can apply for this. And one more information I want to show you, that is very very important information. So last date, like all the information already I have given, so I think this information will be good for you for this new exam for IIT Madras, okay. So guys, I think you can go for it. This information will be very 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 helpful for your preparation, and you can share this video with your brothers and sisters so that they can prepare for this exam very well. So all the best. Thank you. Jai Hind.